Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Claude for brainstorming. Out of ideas, Claude is perfect for brainstorming, whether it's content ideas, business ideas, or creative projects. Claude is an excellent brainstorming partner in 2026. It helps you think faster and explore new angles. So let's follow these few simple steps to use Claude for brainstorming. The first thing you want to do is to open Claude. We're just going to go to your website or your web browser and then type in Claude in the search bar and then click on the Claude.ai website. After that, we're going to start a new chat, just like this. And then you're going to describe what you're brainstorming. Like, I'm thinking of a new design for a sports car, for example, or a website. Or a new idea for a website. An idea for a website. Like this. About e-commerce, we can add the informations like this. E-commerce. And then you're going to hit enter. You can also choose the model of the AI you're working with. After that, after you describe what you're brainstorming, ask him to brainstorm with you like this. Brainstorm with me on trending products like this. And you will ask Claude to give you 10 ideas, for example, brainstorm creative solutions or improve this idea. You can also come up with an idea and suggest it to him and then tell him to improve it. You can ask for variations or improvements. And also don't stop at the first idea and don't be too vague. Ask multiple questions and combine ideas together. As you can see here, it gives you multiple domains for the products. You can use health and wellness, car accessories, etc. This is specific for this topic. And that's it. That's how you use Claude for brainstorming in 2026 and never run out of ideas. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.